guy kept winning. Yeah. And I was like, and he's on. I literally was like, he kept like announcing. Like,
that's so obnoxious.
Yeah.
On your, wait, it's different if you're like been dating for a while, like
Yeah.
kidding around, but your first date.
But the thing is, he wanted to keep track on that stupid piece of paper, and I was like,
on a what?
Exactly, and I was like,
who cares? Just
I know.
That's so weird.
And then I said to myself, I was like, whatever. I was like, you don't have to write it down anymore. I was like, I know who's winning. And then
Oh.
at the end, he was like, who won?
Who cares? Oh my. Oh my God. What an ass.
And he made me win. I was like,
well, he made you.
Yeah.
Oh wait, then that was sweet. I just go, what an ass. Okay, so that's sweet. That's cute.
But I was acting like a
Maybe he was planning on that the whole time.
Yeah, but you don't know that. Yeah.
Unless he just was like, crap, I've been an asshole this whole time. I need to make her win.
Yeah.
Well, he kind of saved himself.
We had fun. It's going on the course, I feel like. Because remember when we kept hitting the balls down that street? We kept fishing it out for like 15 minutes.
Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot about that.
In
Yeah.
Woodbridge? Is that the one?
It was in Point Pleasant. Oh. And there was like this river. And you had to like put it off the bridge.
That was already like last summer.
The bowl was on the hill, so like even if you got it over, like, so bad. So everyone kept like putting it I don't want to ball that I put over it. And everyone else did. So when I went up, I like walked by Danforth. We had to go all the way down to fish it out. And then we got my more dedicated. I found it down in the update. And we were like going all down.
Nice. Sometimes I can't even find where the puck went. I'm like, where'd it go?
Hi.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they really didn't even do anything. He hit it in himself. We're still up by 3.
It's working.
Oh shit. Yeah, he I saw that. With that
Let's just hope that they get to us head.
no, especially not, because we still have a really decent lead, so
Mary,
knock on wood. That's why I want to clap really loud when we get another goal, so I'm hoping it happens. Get out of there.
You should
scored in a while now. We have to score. Oh, damn it. It's been a minute since we scored. I think they all happen so quickly.
Wait, what?
Like a lot of our goals, like everything happens so quick. We need to score again because it's been a little while. Oh yeah, that's crap. Yeah, he's good. That's a little bit good.
Yeah.
He's fast.
I was saying the kid in the white.
Oh my, that was such a good move. Damn it. The kid in the white. What?
The kid in white. The all white. Like open can like a beard.
It was.
I wonder if that's the kid we brought.
I was trying to wonder who we brought. Yeah.
Because like I never saw that picture.
I think
I just don't remember something else.
Yeah, I don't remember that either. No, but there wasn't. I was trying to wonder. I was wondering if this other guy was him. The other guy. Yeah. No, we were thinking about the same person. Get it out of there. Come on, break away. He had a really good move before. Oh, damn it. Alosha. Where's that honorable appearance from Alosha? I don't know where he even came from. He was over there.
He just like popped up.
Yeah, he literally just popped up. Trayvon.
I feel like Alosha's always in it on the world.
No, I mean he is. He's not. Every time. But he played. I mean, he played well last game.
Like, what does he think of when he plays?
Yeah, you know, I wonder that too. Where's his head at?
Like, oh, I gotta go over there.
Yeah.
And then like he just slowly goes over
Yeah,
there. And, like,
exactly. Oh, come on, that was good. Trey had a good pass to him. Come on, Trey. 71. I don't know. Pass it to Karmansky over here. Trayvon. Come on, Trey. Hustle. I want you to score. Oh, he's not in. That was good. Oh, that's scary.
Oh, that was my old friend. That he set up this girl with this guy together, and that
How did
there
that?
that
Where's the club?
he asked her to come I met him there. I embarrassed myself on the ice by saying I never saw this in my life. Dan was sitting next to me.
I love my story.
And he's like, I have a class with you. Like, and I said to him, I was like, oh, what school do you go to? And he goes, Dad, I go to your school. I'm like, oh, you know my school. I go, what grade are you in? And he goes, what grade? I was like, bring it on. He goes, I literally have class with you and I sit next to you. And I said, no, you don't. How long was this in the year? It was
Wait, what year was that? Your junior year?
Yes, it was.
So you went all of high school not him being in the same school and having no idea who he was?
Well, he was also in Leps. He lived in a different town. I didn't know him. I thought he was older. If that.
That's hysterical.
And
And Trey. Oh yeah, Trey's older.
Trey did not know that I'm in the school.
No, but I feel like older grades you don't always know, but in your grade usually. Yeah, but you and a lot of people in your grade. I mean, honestly, that happened to me with. There was actually one kid in my grade that was in my class, like a junior history class, and I was like, I'm like, oh, this kid must be new, and then I found out he wasn't new. I'm like, there's no way I've been going to school with him for 2 years, no way. Yeah, there's sometimes people just, there's a lot of
So
people in it.
it makes it worse because Dan literally like sat next to me.
That's bad.
So it was the weekend, it was Saturday.
That's bad, but it's hysterical. Come on, Trey. Yes.
I was right around the corner and I walked right out.
Come on, he's good. Go. Please
Jim
score.
High.
Damn it. I want him to score so bad. I want to see him score so bad.
Yeah, I completely agree. And then he got hurt.
Let's go.
And
He just outright pushed him. I guess in hockey you're allowed to do stuff, but he was going with the puck and the guy on the other team just literally just pushed
I was
him.
watching that.
What the hell? Ass.
Let's see it now.
Come on, I want us to. Why can't we just score again? They still get a trophy when they win. Oh, I love it. There's a funny picture last year of him holding the trophy. Oh yeah, do you know? Apparently, like, they think like Kenny has the trophy, which is so annoying. Dan should have kept it though.
You don't know what happened?
Wait, didn't Dan have it originally?
Dan had it at his house. Kenny took it after a party.
Wait, Kenny took it without asking? He just took it?
I don't know what he asked about it, but I just know he took it.
So that's it. Yeah, because I remember hearing that Dan had first choice said
Dan was like, oh, yeah, he doesn't have it. I think Kenny
Well, how did they decide who had it in the first place? Like,
didn't decide. Literally just took it.
but well, how did they decide that Dan got it? Like, did they just all say like? Because they all agreed for Dan to have it, and then he just took it. That's really rude.
I don't
It's rude in the first place if like Dan had it, and then without
Yeah.
even saying anything, you just go and take it.
I think they had like a set schedule where it'll go around to
Oh,
everyone. But
I
like,
also feel like that would never.
what, it wasn't his turn or
That's
something?
sketchy.
I don't know.
And then he just took it. Now he's had it for.
I just told Dan, I go, what's the worst that happens? You text him, like, hey, I want the trophy.
Yeah, exactly.
He doesn't answer, okay, that's it.
He probably won't answer because they never answer. Well,
But I said
at
the
least
best
he's
time-
not getting it this time because he's still on the
said
team.
The best time to text him would be right now because his partner is Disney.
His partner.
Kenny's partner.
What do you mean his partner?
Ross.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so he's not with Ross. Yes, okay, yeah.
So like usually he's fine when he's talking to Ross.
Yeah, he
I said, don't
should.
put it in a group chat with Ross and Kenny.
Yeah, no, don't even involve Ross. Don't involve Ross. Because that'll be like extra shitty if he ignores him. Like, then it's kind of like, well, your friendship's kind of over if you're never answering. Oh. Yeah, I think it was.
It was like a dual stroke. Okay, that hit my head.
Come on, Stat. Josh played really well last game. Yeah, come on. Josh got a lot of goals last time. No one's even over there. Why are you doing that?
Josh is like, I don't want it. Someone else take it.
Yeah. No, this is annoying me now. Come on, you're gonna score again. I don't know what the hassle is. End it with you scoring last. Come on. Alosha's big moment. No. Oh my god, he's like falling. Get over there, Dan. Get over there, Dan. Nice save. Come on, Stat. Oh. Come on, guys. Come on, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Just do it. Just do it. Will you pass it to the other team? Oh, shit. Come on. Privateer for the saving. I'm an announcer. Come on, Stat. Damn it.
The guy.
How did you score 6 goals and now you can't really score not one? Please be good defense. He wasn't even trying. Shit. This is really pissing me off because they're not even. No, they have to like get their heads in the game right now. Have a pep talk and get your shit together.
Oh, we're gonna hear Dan pep talk.
No, literally, they were winning by 5 before, and now they're. Let's go.
3 minutes.
No, I will be really pissed. Because the thing is, even if they still win, like it's annoying that it ended just with the other team getting goals, you know, and I feel like they're still not going to be happy. They at least just need to get one.
I don't know what that smells. Oh, he's doing it. I like it. Thank you, though.
just feel like they were playing a lot better in the beginning. The first couple of periods.
It kind of reminds me of like
Go
Mark
blue!
Folks. I think it was Daisy. I like that one better.
Let's go, White! That's
bad. This is pissing me off now.
no, this is really pissing me off. Like I don't understand what happened. You have to score again now. Come on! Let's go! And I don't want fucking overtime. Come on, White! Let's go. Get your heads out of your asses. That was a bit. I don't even want to watch anymore. Why do they have one defender? Why is there only one person over there? My heart is literally pounding. I'm fucking pissed. What? What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? There's literally one defender over there, and I'm like, no, they. It doesn't matter. Take all your best players out and put them on the ice. You have a minute left.
Come on, ref. 6 seconds back. 6 seconds back.
They're just obnoxious. Like, shut the hell up.
142. 142.
Come on, Trey. 55. I'm literally shaking. Come on. Alright, they have sat Trey. I'm literally shaking. Jen, I can't go in overtime. I'm gonna just leave in the face. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm literally gonna be so obnoxious if they win. Like I can't. What are you doing? Why are they missing every opportunity? How? I never get this into it. Like
Get out there.
it's just because it's. I want to. It's just because it's the last game, the championship, and Trey's been like so excited about it, talking about it every day. Come on, let's go, Dan. Pass it to Trey. You watch him miss that. Get up there. I can't take it. My heart is literally. No, come on. Let's go. Go. Like.
Go, set it up, set it up.
My heart is literally pounding.
I don't get into games, but your pressure is making me.
No, the thing is, I like do sometimes, but especially because it's a championship. No, my heart is racing. Come on, white team. Come on, stat. Come on, don't. Let's go. Come on. Get it out of there. Just. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, go. Yes. Go, white team. Come on, you're going to win. You got this. My hand. What's happening? Jen. Jen, look at my hand. Show my hand. Did you take that off the ice? I'm gonna kill somebody. Trayvon! Take him. Oh! Damn it. Trey, come on, Trey, go. Where's their goalie? They don't have a goalie.
They took it out 6 on 5.
Then how are they not?
6 on 5. Mary's going down. They're losing.
Now they want to be babies.
Fucking punch him in the head!
Babies! Loser. They're just sore losers.
Dan, sit down!
Is Dan involved?
Dan's helmet's off. I'm not fucking lose my shit.
Oh my god. The other team, they're just
You fucking lost! Sit down!
sore losers.
You shut the fuck up! Grow up.
You grow up.
You're
You're like
an
40 years
older.
old and you've been screaming the whole time.
Oh, thank you. So tough. So tough. Oh, guy. So tough. You lost. Lose with respect.